Let's go! The reason they are here to learn our Penang culture. So, today at Mushi, we're gonna teach them our Penang culture. Today we're gonna teach them about Zapen dance, Batu Seremban and Congkak. Now, follow me through the video. I'm gonna interview them one by one. Okay, let's
Teacher dia tekan kami. Teacher, besar.
Lagi sekali. Sambung lah. Awak angkat dialog dah tu.
Angkat je bab.
Teacher, don't look. I cannot focus.
Teacher tak boleh, teacher. Kakak.
First video dialog.
Wait.
Tapi cuma saya ada gap kat sana. Aduh, serabut lah.
Okey dah.
Dah okey dah, dia pick up awal. Cameraman tak boleh. Today I'm with
My name is Darimi.
Darimi.
Okay,
yes. Darimi, what did you teach them today?
Today, I teach them how to play kompang, and for me, they are all fast learner.
Oh, okay. Did you enjoy the experience teaching them?
Yes, I enjoy it. It is very good, and for me, it is one of the best moments I've ever had in my life, meeting new friends like them.
Oh, wow. Question, what is that in your hand?
This is a postcard I received from a friend named Jasper. It is written that thank you for me that I teach him how to play kompang, and he said that one day he will play kompang for me at my wedding.
Wow. Okay. Thank you, Darimi.
Yes,
See you again.
Alright, thank you.
Today the reason they are here because to learn our Penang culture and explore our Penang culture. In Penang we have the lagi sekali.
Today we are having a visit from Admiralty. I am Farah and Shahab is my videographer. Okay. This is Dedek. If you don't know him, I also don't know him.
Never say never.
Never say never.
Please.
Kenapa?
The point of attacker is to go there. It's okay.
Weh, nak pegang kamera boleh?
Sekarang burung. Kalau burung pun boleh bertelur kat situ juga.
Juga video.
Cantiknya handsome anak-anak saya.
Fake.
Tangan besar boleh.
Wow. Okay, dapat dah. Okay dah, cikgu.
Darimi nangis. Peluk.
Dari